गाइस कैसे हैं आप सब। चैप्टर नंबर 7 डायरेक्टिंग, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, रीजनिंग एजर्शन, स्टेटमेंट्स, सब क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। चैप्टर नंबर 7। इसमें ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं हैं, आई गेस 55-60 के अराउंड क्वेश्चंस होंगे। जल्दी से वीडियो ख़त्म हो जाएगी, जल्दी से जल्दी आपके नंबर पक्के हो जाएंगे, मैं ऐसी उम्मीद करके चल रहा हूँ। ठीक है जी। हम फटाफट से वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। प्रमोद is a supervisor at Sham Breads and Biscuits factory. The factory produces 20,000 packets of breads and biscuits every day. As a supervisor, Pramod ensures that works goes on smoothly and there is no interruption in production. He is a good leader who gives order only after consulting his subordinates, working out the policies with acceptance of the group. Identify the leadership style being adopted by Pramod. अगर देखो यहाँ पे ना सिंपल सी चीज़, क्वेश्चन इट सेल्फ इज एक्सप्लेनिंग एवरीथिंग। इसका आंसर होगा डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टिसिपेटिव लीडरशिप। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रमोद जो है ना वो सबको साथ लेके चल रहा है, सबकी रजामंदी से, सबकी कंसेंसस से एक डिसीजन जो है वो ले रहा है, अपनी मर्जी नहीं चला रहा। ठीक है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पॉजिटिव आस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन। मतलब ग्रेप वाइन चैनल्स जो होते हैं ना, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन को बहुत रैपिडली जो है वो स्प्रेड करते हैं, जिसको आप इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन जो है उसका नाम देते हैं, जिसमें हम ग्रेप वाइन का जिक्र करते हैं ना कई बार। ग्रेप वाइन का मतलब होता है कि जहाँ पे इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है ना वो इधर उधर घूम रही है। ठीक है। इट इज़ नॉट इन अ सिमेट्री, कोई भी सिमेट्री नहीं है, आपको किसी भी तरह की कोई सिमेट्री देखने को यहाँ पे नहीं मिलती है। इट इज़ लाइक फ्लोइंग एनीवेयर एवरीवेयर, राइट। Question number 3. Balram has joined as a supervisor in a chemical manufacturing company. Apart from his basic pay and dearness allowance, the organization has promised other incentives which are as follows. Identify the non-financial incentives offered to Balram from the following. So, other than that, मोर ऑटोनॉमी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन हिज एरिया ऑफ वर्क। मतलब काम के पैसे के साथ साथ उसको जो है आज़ादी मिल रही है काम करने की, फ्रीडम है, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है उसको एक अलग से एक एरिया की, पर्टिकुलर एरिया की सौंपी गई है। देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स। फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशंस आर रिटन ओनली एंड जनरली रिकॉर्डेड एंड फाइल्ड इन द ऑफिस। मतलब फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन जो है ना वो सिर्फ रिटन नहीं होती, इट कुड बी ऑरल ऑल्सो, राइट। तो ये आंसर जो है वो ऑप्शन डी होगा इसका। देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंसेंटिव्स क्रिएट्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ ऑनरशिप of the organization among the employees and make them contribute to the growth of the organization. So it is stock option, कि जब कंपनी जो है ना अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिटेन करने के लिए बहुत सारे जो है वो हाथ पैर चलाती हैं कि हम अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को ना रिटेन कर लें। ठीक है। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में जो है वो क्या होता है कि कंपनीज जो है अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को शेयर्स देती हैं, जिसको स्टॉक ऑप्शन कहा जाता है। इनके साथ जो है ना वो एक वेस्टिंग पीरियड, मतलब जो बाइंडिंग पीरियड होता है, वो कंपनी के साथ रहना होता है इनको। वो उतने टाइम का कंपनी इनके साथ अग्रीमेंट कर लेती है, शेयर्स तो दे देती है, लेकिन साथ में जो है वो एक अग्रीमेंट हो जाता है कि उस अग्रीमेंट के अंडर क्या होता है कि इनको उतना टाइम बिजनेस के अंदर काम करना पड़ता है। सिक्स्थ, नेम द टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इन विच पर्सन्स कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर थ्रू ऑफिशियल चैनल। तो सिंपल है, फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन। देन गीतांजलि मकान इज अ सक्सेसफुल is a successful business leader. She believes that if jobs are made interesting by including greater variety of work content and providing a meaningful work experience, the jobs themselves become a source of motivation to the individuals. The non-financial incentives that has been discussed in the above case is job enrichment. Then question number 8. So semantic barriers क्या होते हैं? Symbols with different meanings. साइकोलॉजिकल बैरियर क्या होते हैं? स्टेटस या डिस्ट्रस्ट। ठीक। ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बैरियर्स क्या होते हैं? लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर सपोर्ट और स्टेटस। एंड लास्ट पर्सनल बैरियर लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. प्रोवाइडिंग जॉब सिक्योरिटी एंड पेंशन प्लान एटसेट्रा विल सेटिस्फाई विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नीड्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज। तो यहाँ पे बी ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। Providing job security and pension plan etc. will satisfy अच्छा ये रहा, ये इसका आंसर होगा सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी नीड्स, ऑप्शन बी. देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑटोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप स्टाइल. तो सबॉर्डिनेट्स आर गिवन हाई डिग्री ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. देखो ऑटोक्रेसी में तो थोड़ी सी भी फ्रीडम नहीं मिलती है ना, यहाँ पे तो बोल रहा है कि हाई डिग्री ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, फॉर टेकिंग द कंपनी आउट ऑफ लॉसेस रवि कुमार टुक ओवर एज द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर of the struggling Vova watch company in January 2020. As soon as he joined, he tried to find out the reason for the company not doing well. He found that the employees were not involved in decision making and they had to just follow the orders, resulting in low morale of employees. Recognizing the need for the change, Ravi Kumar started on a journey to bring back enthusiasm and motivation of the employees. He initiated open dialogues, encouraged them to actively participate in decision making. Together, they developed action plans to address the company's challenges regarding outdated designs and inefficient production processes, etc. As time passed, Vova Watch Company transformed from a struggling enterprise to a profit making enterprise. Identify the style of leadership. Again, ये तो simple है, B option answer है. Then Akash Mehra is a marketing manager of Kedanta Enterprise. He gives orders and expects his subordinate to obey those orders. Communication is only one way with the subordinates, only acting according to the command given by him. Identify the leadership style of Akash Mehra is authoritative. तो ये भी मतलब self explanatory ही था question. So question number 13 पे आ जाओ. From the following, choose the incorrect statement about the importance of directing function of the management. So it is option D. Directing helps in estimating manpower requirement for the organization. Question number 14. Lack of confidence of superior in his subordinates is one of the barriers of the communication. Identify the communication barrier. So it is personal barrier. Then to motivate employees, on one side, Harshita Pearls rewards them with an increase in pay, promotion, recognition, etc. Whereas on the other side, it stops increments, gives punishments, threaten employees so that they may act in the desired manner. Which feature of motivation is being highlighted in the above cases? Motivation can be either positive or negative. Question number 16. Maslow's need hierarchy theory is based on certain assumptions. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to these assumptions. So option D, a person moves to lower level of need only when a higher level need is satisfied. Question number 7, statement 1. Leadership indicates the ability of an individual which influences द बिहेवियर ऑफ अदर्स. करेक्ट. लीडरशिप में तो होता ही ऐसा है कि जिसमें लीडर जो है वो लोगों के बिहेवियर को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. स्टेटमेंट 2, लीडरशिप इज एक्सरसाइज टू अचीव पर्सनल गोल्स ऑफ द लीडर. ये तो गलत है, ये तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल्स के लिए काम करता है. सो आंसर इज 17th का ए. Which of the following is not the feature of directing function of management? So it is directing ensures that activities are performed as per the plans. Then question number 19. Child O is a garment manufacturing company which makes clothes with unique and stylish designs for the children. Naisha was working as human resource manager with Child O. In spite of good pay and many other benefits offered, the company is facing problem of high turnover of its employees. Naisha tried to find out the reason but could not. She appointed a person with permission of the chief executive officer to find out the reason. It was found that other organizations were giving more autonomy and authority to their employees, which made them feel that their jobs were important. So this was attracting the employees of Child O to other organization. The incentive which attracted the employees of Child O to other organization is employee एम्पावरमेंट. ये सेम केस स्टडीज हमने स्टाफिंग में भी देखा था, बट उसका आंसर किसी और सेंस में पूछा गया था. यहाँ पे केस स्टडी बिल्कुल सेम टू सेम बना के दी हुई है, बट क्वेश्चन किसी और सेंस में पूछा हुआ है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन इन मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. नमन एंड विनीत वर चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स एंड बोथ वर वर्किंग इन सनशाइन क्रॉकरी. Naman was working as the chief executive officer while Vineet was the production manager. They would generally discuss company related issues over lunchtime or while traveling together. The company had recently received an order for supply of 5,000 dinner sets from Shaurya Hotel. It was an unexpected order and would increase the revenue of the company. This order was communicated by Naman to Vineet over intercom. Vineet executed the order within the given time period. For this, he was appreciated by Naman. So this type of communication used by Naman to communicate the order to Vineet was formal communication. So now assertion and reason. So here we have statement number 1. So statement number 1, directing refers to the process of instructing, guiding, counseling, motivating and leading people in the organization to achieve its objectives. True. Statement 2, directing takes place throughout the life of the organization irrespective of people occupying managerial position. Again, true. So option C is the correct answer. Then second question, assertion, directing is key to all the managerial functions. Correct. Then reason, while other functions prepare a setting for action, directing initiates action in the organization. This is also true. So both the options are true. Both assertion and reason are true. Third question, directing takes place at every level of management. Exactly true. Sorry, यहाँ पे, or every manager from top executive to supervisory performs the function of directing. The directing takes place wherever the superior subordinate relation exists. This is also true. So option A is the correct answer. Then question number 4, directing is an executive function. Execution function, directing जो है वो execution function है. Is it true? डायरेक्टिंग जो है वो एग्जीक्यूशन फंक्शन नहीं है, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. देन while other functions prepare a setting for action, directing initiates action in the objective organization towards attainment of desired goals. तो ये सही है. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी. assertion is false, reason is true. Fifth question, statement number 1, directing flows from top to bottom. Every manager can direct his immediate subordinate and take instructions from his immediate boss. This is true. Second, directing integrates employees' efforts in the organization in such a way that every individual efforts contributes to the organizational performance. This is also true. So option C is the correct answer. Statement 1, directing guides employees to fully realize their potential and capabilities by motivating and providing effective leadership. It is true. Directing facilitates the introduction of the needed changes in the organization. This is also true. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन C. Both are correct statements. Question number 7, directing facilitates introduction of the needed changes in the organization. ये तो भी ऊपर पड़े true है. Reason, effective directing through motivation, communication and leadership helps to reduce such resistance. This is also true. So answer is option A. Question number 8, assertion. Effective directing helps to bring stability and balance in the organization. True. Reason, it fosters cooperation and commitment among the people and helps to achieve balance among various groups, activities and departments. This is also true. So option C is the correct answer. Ninth, directing helps to initiate action by people in the organization towards the attainment of desired objectives. This is correct. Reason, directing integrates employees' efforts in the organization in such a way that every individual effort contributes to the organizational performance. This is also true, but this is not the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is option B. Then question number 10, communication means overseeing what is being done by subordinates and giving instruction to ensure optimum utilization of resources and achievement of work targets. False. Then leadership is the process of making subordinates to act in a desired manner to achieve certain organizational goals. This is also incorrect. So option D is the correct answer. 11th, statement 1, motives arises out of the needs of the individual. Correct. Second, motivation depends upon satisfying the needs of the people. This is also correct. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 12, statement 1, motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. सही है ये वाली statement. Second, leadership is a complex force that it is starting with the keeping a person at work in the organization. ये गलत है, तो option A जो है वो correct answer है. 13th, motivation is an internal feeling. Correct. अंदर से ही होती है, मतलब no one can motivate you out of nowhere, right? So reason, the urge, drives, desires, aspirations, striving or needs of human being which are internal influence human behavior is correct also. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 14, statement 1, motivation produces goal directed behavior. True. Motivation can be either positive or negative. This is also true. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 15, motivation is complex process. Motivation एक complex process होता है, सही. रीज़न, द इंडिविजुअल्स आर हेट्रोजीनियस. हेट्रोजीनियस का मतलब होता है जो एक दूसरे से मैच ना करते हों, सेम ना हो, रिवर्स हो. इन देयर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, परसेप्शंस, रिएक्शंस, एनी टाइप ऑफ मोटिवेशन मे नॉट हैव यूनिफॉर्म इफेक्ट on all the members. This is also correct. So option A is the correct answer. Then Maslow's need hierarchy theory was based on human needs. Yes. In the organizational context, basic salary helps to satisfy security needs. No. तो ऑप्शन ए आंसर होगा. स्टेटमेंट 1 करेक्ट है, स्टेटमेंट 2 इनकरेक्ट है. देन 17th, सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी नीड्स प्रोवाइड सिक्योरिटी एंड प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल हार्म. सही. देन एफिलिएशन, बिलोंगिंग नीड्स रेफर टू अफेक्शन, सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस, एक्सेप्टेंस एंड फ्रेंडशिप. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. सो ऑप्शन सी, बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. 18th, self-actualization needs include factors such as self-respect, autonomy, status, recognition and attention. This is not correct. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन में क्या होता है ना कि सेल्फ अकम्पलिशमेंट होता है, रिकग्निशन नहीं होता, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो बिलोंगिंग नीड्स में आ जाता है. एस्टीम नीड्स इंक्लूड ग्रोथ, सेल्फ फुलफिलमेंट एंड अचीवमेंट ऑफ गोल्स. अब उल्टा हो गया, देखो जो चीज़ यहाँ होनी चाहिए थी वो यहाँ आ गई, जो यहाँ होनी चाहिए थी वो वहाँ चली गई. दोनों गलत हैं. ऑप्शन डी जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है. Statement 1, a satisfied need can no longer motivate a person, only the next bigger level or higher level need can motivate that person. True. Then a person moves to the next higher level of hierarchy only when the lower need is satisfied. So this is also true. So option C is the correct answer. 20th, bonus is an incentive offered over and above wages, salaries to the employees. जो बोनस होता है ना वो इंसेंटिव होता है, सैलरी के अलावा दिया जाता है. ट्रू. अंडर को पार्टनरशिप स्टॉक ऑप्शन, एम्प्लॉयज आर ऑफर्ड कंपनी शेयर्स एट अ सेट प्राइस विच इज़ लोअर देन द मार्केट प्राइस. दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. तो दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं वो यहाँ पे हमारी सही होंगी. 21, ऑल द नीड्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड बाय मनी अलोन. सही है, सारी की सारी नीड्स पैसा नहीं पूरा कर सकता. ठीक है. देन साइकोलॉजिकल, सोशल एंड इमोशनल factors play important role in providing motivation. This is also true. 22nd, monetary aspects may be involved in non-financial incentives as well. सही है. Psychological, social, esteem needs of are satisfied by status given to their job. So दोनों ही सही हैं. Option C is the correct answer. 23, statement 1, status indicates the characteristics which describe an organization and distinguish one organization from another. ये गलत है. Job enrichment is concerned with designing jobs that include a greater variety of work content, require a higher level of knowledge and skill, give workers more autonomy and responsibility. तो ये सही है. Statement 2 is correct, 1 is incorrect. Then question number 24, displaying on the notice board or in the company newsletter about the achievement of an employee is an example of career advancement opportunity. No, ये तो recognition वाला part हो गया. Statement 2, employee empowerment means involving employees in decision making of the issues related to them. This is also wrong. Employee empowerment होता है कि workers को decisions के लिए involve करना जो company से related हो, not with their personal life. So option D, दोनों statements गलत हैं. 25, motivation is the activity of influencing people to strive willingly for group objectives. No. Leadership is a set of interpersonal behavior designed to influence employees to cooperate in the achievement of those objectives. सही. तो statement 2 जो है वो correct है, 1 जो है वो incorrect है. 26th, leadership indicates interpersonal relations between leaders and followers. तो ये सही है. True. Then statement 2, leadership is a continuous process. सही है. तो दोनों की दोनों statement सही है. 27, an autocratic leader gives orders and expects his subordinate to obey those orders. सही. Then free rein leader will develop action plans and make decision in consultation with his subordinates. ये गलत है. फ्री रियन में क्या होता है ना कि जो एक लीडर होता है ना आपका, वो एक पैटर्नलिस्टिक रोल प्ले करता है, फादर फिगर वाला रोल, ठीक है। 28. Autocratic leadership style is effective in getting productivity in many situations, like in a factory where the supervisor is responsible for production on time and has to ensure labor productivity. True. Laissez-faire leadership style is more common nowadays, since leaders also recognize that people perform best if they have set their own objectives. So this is also true. Option C, both A and B are correct. 29. Autocratic leaders may listen to everyone's opinion, consider subordinate ideas and concerns, but the decision will be their own. Sahi. Second, a democratic leader may have to take his own decision in emergency situation. This is also true. So option C is the correct answer. 30th. Communication is a transfer of information from the sender to the receiver with the information understood by the receiver. Correct. Communication involves systematic and continuous process of telling, listening and understanding. This is also true. So both the options are correct. 31. Formal communication flows through official channels designed in the organization chart. सही है ये. Then तो मतलब दोनों सही हैं. वैसे एक बार मैं सेकंड रीड करता हूँ. Formal communications may be oral or written, but generally recorded and filed in the office. This is also correct. 32. Informal organization system of communication is generally referred to as a grapevine. Correct. It spreads throughout the organization with its branches going out in all the directions, utter disregard to the levels of authorities. ये भी सही है. तो दोनों correct होंगे and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 33. The informal communication arises out of the needs of the employees to exchange their views, which cannot be done through formal channels. Correct. Statement 2. An intelligent manager should make use of positive aspects of informal channels and minimize the negative aspects of this channel of communication. So this is also true. Option C is the correct answer. Then semantic barriers are concerned with problems and obstructions in the process of encoding and decoding of message into words or impressions. सही है. Second, personal barriers to communication are related to the state of mind of both a sender and a receiver. ये गलत है. तो option A is the correct answer. Then 35. ये 35th question है, 33 नहीं है. Last question. Motivation can be either positive or negative. True. Motivation is a complex process as the individuals are heterogeneous in their expectations, perceptions and reactions. So this is also true. Both the answers are correct. ठीक. So this let me clear you one thing कि 7 चैप्टर्स हमारे हो चुके हैं. इसके बाद एक चैप्टर नंबर 8 लास्ट हमारा कंट्रोलिंग का. उसके बाद मैं आपको इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस प्रोवाइड करवाऊंगा बिजनेस स्टडीज़ के सारे. ठीक है. सो हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.